Welcome to the deliciously delightful world of pizzas. Today we're embarking on a mouth-watering adventure through the scrumptious flavors, traditions, and one-of-a-kind creations of 7 spectacular pizzas from all around the globe. Let's kick things off in the place where it all began, Italy. The Neapolitan Pizza, a masterpiece of simplicity and tradition. With just a few ingredients, San Marzano tomatoes, fresh mozzarella, and basil, this pizza is cooked at blazing temperatures in a wood-fired oven. The result? A soft, chewy crust with a signature char. Next stop, the Big Apple. New York-style pizza. It's all about the crust, thin and crispy on the bottom, yet soft enough to fold. Topped with a rich tomato sauce and a generous layer of mozzarella, this pizza is a slice of American culture. Now let's dive into the delicious world of Chicago's iconic deep dish pizza. This pizza, oh, it's more like a pie. You see, its thick crust forms a buttery bowl, holding layers of cheese, meat, and a chunky tomato sauce. Baked to perfection, it's truly a meal in itself. From the Middle East comes the flavorful Manakish. This flatbread is topped with za'atar, a blend of herbs, sesame seeds, and olive oil, or sometimes cheese or ground meat. It's a versatile dish, enjoyed for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Asian pizzas. They bring creative twists to the table. In Korea, Bulgogi Pizza. It features sweet and savory marinated beef, mozzarella, and a hint of sesame. It's a delicious fusion of flavors. In Argentina, fugaza. It's a pizza with a twist. This thick, focaccia-like crust is topped with sweet onions, gooey mozzarella, and sometimes olives or ham. It's a delightful blend of Italian tradition and Argentine flair. From France we have tarte flambe, or flammkuchen. This ultra-thin pizza is topped with creme fraiche, onions, and lardons. Baked quickly at high heat, it's crispy, creamy, and utterly delicious. And there you have it, a delightful journey around the world through 7 incredible pizzas. From the sunny streets of Italy to the vibrant Americas, from the rich flavors of the Middle East to the colorful bites of Asia, pizza joyfully brings us all together in the most delicious ways. So next time you grab a slice, celebrate the amazing journey it's taken to your plate.